Who are you? They say you are a spirit, you are a soul, you are an Atman, or you are a Ruhu. But in my deeper dimension of awareness, I have intuited the duality of my existence, that I am both, that is, matter and spirit. I am an awareness and the matter that is made of electron, proton, neutrons, or millions or trillions of subatomic particles. I am immortal, eternal. I am a ceaseless, seamless, unbroken, continuous entity which has a double identity. I am to the Purusha and the Prakriti. I am consciousness and matter, and both are eternal and immortal. And I have been here since the evolution of this cosmos into the present form. So I will be there always in this universe till the apocalypse, till the doomsday. And this pattern of eternal, continuous, seamless, unbroken, ceaseless existence will recycle itself in perpetuity. That means perpetually I will be here. But we, the mortals, are afraid of our self-annihilation. But the annihilation is only seeming or apparent. But in essence, there is no destruction or cessation of anything that exists in this entire infinite, boundless, immeasurable cosmos. So what is the fear about? There is no death, nor there is birth. Every aspect of this existence is just an apparent phenomenon. But deeper into the reality, if you reflect, you will see that you are a seamless existence bound up in duality, that is Purusha and Prakriti. And if you want to intuit this supreme truth, you have to enter into deeper dimension of silence and meditation persistently until you have the glimpse of that eternal truth. Thank you.